This is my tropical hibiscus seedling from last year. And I mentioned in a previous video when I toured the deck that I had pinched the tops of the trees that were on the deck. And I have stems, I have branches. It branched out on the top. This is my tropical hibiscus, which is not in bloom at the moment. It's probably about 4 foot tall. It summers outside and winters inside, and when I bring it in the fall, it's full of flowers. And then later, early winter, it forms seed buds that are separate from the flowers. So I started putting the seeds in dirt and researching, and found out that you won't get an exact replica of your tree. Whatever's in the roots of the tree, the background, that's what you get. You don't know what you're going to get, is what you're going to get. You just don't know. It won't be an exact replica, and you can see that from the leaves. I have a couple that have the same leaves as the parent plant, and I have a couple of these. So this is in the background, a parent plant of the tree that I have. This is the other one that I pinched. And I believe next time you see this one, it will have branches, and it may even bloom this year. I have 4 more tropical hibiscus seedlings. And you can see 2 of them have the same leaves as the parent plant. And I have 4 of them with this other leaf structure. These are a little bit behind the other 2. They've been potted up and sitting for a while. I have not clipped the tops yet. This one looks like it might be branching. Yeah, it's branching on its own. I won't have to clip the top of that one. This one's not. This one's not. That is a seed pod. For the 2nd year in a row, I have noticed my hibiscus seeding. I got lucky last year because I was walking around barefoot in my kitchen and I went to see what was on the bottom of my foot, and it was a seed. That is not a seed pod. That is a bud. I'm going to see if I can find one that's not so open. I also have pots on the floor around this thing, so they seed themselves in the kitchen. Usually in my passion flower pots. Last year I didn't do this video in time, and this year, again, I don't have a green one. There's another bud up there though, or is that the same one? I think that's a different one. I can't find a green one. So I found 3 this year. Seed pods. And I have baby trees from last year's seed pods. Tropicana gave me another flower. They're bigger and more red during the summer. This is an interesting color.